What's going on, everyone? So we're going to talk a little bit more about gold. So if you guys watched my video from yesterday, recently started getting into trading futures. So normally I'm an options day trader and scalper, predominantly scalping, stocks are going to be following the triple Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100, which is, your Teslas of the world, your AMDs, NVIDIAs, so forth and so forth. You guys get the picture. With that being said, I've also started, the journey to becoming a funded prop trader. So, currently my TD Ameritrade account, is sitting close to six figures. So I don't really have, a need to be a funded trader, but I thought it'd be pretty cool because, in my Discord, I run into a lot of people that, have smaller accounts. And I'm going to be the first person to tell you that if you do have a small account, it is extremely tough to day trade, right? Like, so if you're sitting there with $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000, it's extremely hard to day trade just due to the fact that 1-2 losses can really wipe you out. Then you're kind of paranoid and scared about taking the next trade because you don't want to lose and you don't want to blow up an account. So I said, you know what? Well, I got some spare time. I know the futures market's open, pretty much round the clock. They are closed for about an hour. This goes for all you Forex guys as well. I know a lot of you guys who trade Forex, you guys are, always trading gold and silver and the NAS, the Dow 30 or US 30. I forget what it's called, but, so anyways, to get to the point, I made $500 or $300 last night, $290 last night trading gold. And then I made $500 today trading gold. So for about a total of around $780, $790 profit on the day trading gold. So I actually traded gold futures, which is /GC, but this is going to go, for the same for you guys who are trading Forex, right? So what I was looking for on gold was a short position, coming into the day's session. So for me, Pacific Standard Time, being that I'm in Southern California, what I was looking at here was these highs, right? So we kind of came up one time, two times, three times. We were having tough area right around this 1920, right? So what I was thinking was, I got two ideas here for gold. If we can break this 1920 and then maybe have a little bit of a pullback, and then I see us push higher, maybe I'll be interested in taking it long, right? Lo and behold, that's not what happened. So the indicator that I have on my chart is just a 20 SMA, right? Guys, you don't need to make this more difficult than what it is. Speaking of that, if you guys are having trouble with a trading strategy or you're having trouble with the setups, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I'm trading live 5 days a week with all the guys in there. I've got a couple of guys who are trading some futures, trading crude oil, trading the NAS, trading gold, what else, right? And to everything in between. Obviously, trading stocks and options. Most of us are trading stocks and options, but we do have a channel in there for that. And if you guys are looking to learn a strategy, definitely jump in there. I'm more than willing to give out the levels that I'm looking at, that I'm currently playing. And that's kind of why I designed that Discord, so we can all kind of feed off each other and I can kind of show you guys exactly what I'm looking at live in real time. I think that, it helps tremendously. But just kind of getting back to this gold trade here. So what I was looking at, as soon as we lost this 20 SMA, right? So kind of if this is the first time watching my video, I know my verbiage and my lingo is going to be, a lot of trader talk. So, if you don't really understand when I say, lost the 20 or, confirmed or stuff like that, you guys got to do a little bit of homework, a little bit of education, be around me for a while, kind of just pick up on the way that I talk and kind of do things. If you guys are looking for a strategy, go to evolutiontraders.com. That's my website. I've got 2 video courses there kind of showing you guys my strategies if you guys are looking to learn. But what I was looking at here on gold, 5-minute time frame, 20 SMA, right? I'm going to make it very, very simple. 5-minute time frame, purple line is 20 SMA. What I was looking at here, supply zone 1920. If we broke above 1920, I was looking to get long, right? So I wanted to break this, back test, push higher, and then I want to get long. Okay, that obviously never happened. So with that being said, as soon as we lost this 20 period moving average, I was looking for confirmation, right? So when I say lost, we had a 5-minute candle close below the 20 after we were previously trading above the 20. So as soon as we lost this 20 SMA, I was looking for the confirmation on the next candle, which is this candle here, to confirm these lows. As soon as we confirmed these lows, I went ahead and just took one lot and I went ahead and went short on this thing. Obviously, if you've traded gold before, you know that you don't need to make, 100 points on gold to make some decent money. So with that being said, I kind of just got in this trade. I just let it continue to ride down, ride down, ride down. Obviously, I was thinking about this area here, a little bit of a double bottom where we kind of found some support. We also did have consolidation support here. Where we kind of bounced off higher. So what I was looking at here, I knew that this area was going to get choppy. And if you can kind of see the candlesticks, we really didn't do anything. We got a little bit choppy. We kind of broke below. We came back up. And I was looking for the next flush. I was telling myself, if we could flush below this 1908, I knew that we had room down here to these bottoms at around 1904. As soon as we started to confirm that bottom to the downside, I waited all the way until this candle closed, and I pretty much just cut my trade. Now, obviously, as a trader, you're never going to catch the whole move, right? So if this is my entry here, and this is my sellout here on this candle, I only caught a little piece of the pie, right? You know, if I was a psychic or a fortune teller, or you know, I could predict the market, then I would have just held my position all the way down here and just sold right at the bottom. But I'm going to tell you guys this. Trading is very, very difficult. There's a lot of emotions that go involved with it, especially when you're trading real cash and you're managing real risk. You can't just, you know, think that you can just buy here and then sell here. Now, it's easy when the day is over to kind of look back and say, huh, well, you know, as soon as we lost this 20, why didn't you just wait until, you know, it got down here and then sell here? Well, obviously, I didn't know that it was going to do that, right? So there was a little bit of consolidation that we got in this area as well. And I was thinking, I was like, maybe you know, there's an opportunity that this can bounce back into the 20 and retest. And maybe if it does start to hold this level, then maybe it starts to rip higher. I didn't want to be a part of that move. I kind of wanted just to take the quick scalp. So for all you guys who are interested in day trading, scalping, gold, crude oil, the NAS, right? The Dow 30, you guys are interested in options, stocks, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Definitely got great traders in there. I'm going to help you guys out each and every single day. I'm actually looking for at least 10 more traders to add to my Discord before I kind of cut it off. Normally I like to add just 10 serious traders a month. So being that we are going to start March, I'm going to add 10 traders, and then I'm going to kind of just lock up the room until we get into April, right? Because I want to be able to help everybody. I don't want to have difficulties helping people, you know, by having, you know, 100 people ask me 100 different things. You know, I want to be able to focus on a small group until you guys can start to pick it up, and then we can all communicate together in the live rooms as well as we're getting in and out of these trades. But with that being said, guys, I hope this video you found helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, toss me that thumbs up button, and I'm going to see you guys all in the next trading video.